Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this pretty looking pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies sweater, cardigan, shawl, scarf. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on stitch and purl on purl stitch. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast 10 multiples of 13 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 13, this pattern is made of 11 and this pattern made of 2. So 11 plus 2, 13, 13, 13 and 2 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 30 stitches on my needle, which is 13 plus 13 26 and plus 2 extra stitch 28 and 2 edge stitch 30. So row 1 right side, first you will need to knit one base row and then you will start the repeat pattern, right? This is the base row and you will knit this base row only for this time. So first base row wrong side, purl your edge stitch on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 2 and purl 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 and purl 11. 2 4 6 8 10 11. That's the repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 2, purl 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So from here to here we have done 2 repeats, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 3 stitch, 2 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Knit 2 and edge stitch, bring that in front and slip on the wrong side. So we have done here base row, one base row, and now we're going to start the repeat pattern from here. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, yarn over, yarn in back, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK 3 times SSK, right? So SSK means you're gonna, it's like SSK, right? Slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, slip 3, knit twice, right? Yes, slip, 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 right? And then you knit these 3 together, all together through the back loop. That's the SSK. And then here knit 3, 1 2 3 and knit 3 together, 1 2 3. Knit these 3 together through the front loop. Like so. And then yarn over for this stitch, yarn over, knit 1 and yarn over for purl stitch, because the next stitch is going to be purl, so yarn over, purl wise this way. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 3, 1 2 3 and knit 3 together through the front loop, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. This is the repeat pattern again. Purl 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, yarn in back, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, slip 3, knit twice, and knit these 3 together through the back loop. Knit 3, 1 2 3 and knit 3 together through the front loop. And then yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, purl wise. See, and your last 2 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and for every wrong side rows you will knit on each stitch and purl on purl stitch. So slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 11. 2 4 6 8 10 11. That's the repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 2, purl 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Last 3 stitches, knit 2, edge stitch and in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 3. For row 3, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and purl 2. Yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, and then SSK. This time only SSK, 2 times SSK, right? So 2 times slip, 1 2, right? Slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, and knit these 2 together through the back loop. SSK, and then knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over purlwise, because the next stitch is going to be purl. So yarn over purlwise. That's the repeat. Purl 2, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over. Again purl 2, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, and yarn over. See, and your last 3 stitches, purl 2 and knit your edge stitch on the right side. Row 4, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. That's the repeat. Knit 2 and purl 13. 2 4 6 8 10 12 13. Repeat that again. Knit 2, purl 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. And your last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch and in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 5. For row 5, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, yarn over SSK, yarn in back, yarn over knitwise, and SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and for these 3, first yarn over, and then for these 3, SK2P. SK2P means slip 1 knitwise, slip 1 purlwise or knitwise, you can do both, and knit 2 together and pass this slip stitch over this knit together, like so. That's the SK2P. And then yarn over SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and yarn over. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and then yarn over, SK 2P, yarn over, and knit SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over. Again purl 2, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and yarn over, SK 2P, slip 1, knit 2 together, and pass over. That's the SK 2P, SK 2P, and then yarn over. Here SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and then yarn over, yarn in front, sorry, yarn over purl wise, and then purl 2, sorry, yarn over purl wise, right? We have done 2 repeats, and your last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 6, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That's the repeat. Knit 2 and purl 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Again knit 2, purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch and yarn in front and slip. Row 7, row 7, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2 and SSK, sorry, purl 2, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and for this stitch yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and again here SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and yarn over. That's the repeat. Purl 2, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and here yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over. Again purl 2, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and then yarn over. Last 2 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 8, last row, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's the repeat. Knit 2, purl 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Again knit 2, purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.